How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of plantar warts fast and easy, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So plantar warts, you guys, what we want to do to get rid of them is you can get simple Band-Aids. They're Band-Aids that are made for warts. They literally say compound W or Band-Aids with compound W. They're at most stores you can find them. Most health stores, most pharmacies, most big box chain stores, you can find them. And these work super simple. You put the Band-Aid on, you wait a couple days, and the wart is basically gone. Now, very simple to do. You can go to the doctor too for warts, and you can get liquid nitrogen, which is also known as cryotherapy, and basically it just freezes the wart off. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. It is a little bit painful, but then you don't have to wait 2 or 3 days. It's literally gone the minute the doctor uses the liquid nitrogen. So that's very simple to do. If you're getting warts, chances are you're getting them from somewhere. You probably don't know where. Most of the times, warts are caused by your feet being in contact with other bacteria or in a moist environment. So great examples of this would be a swimming pool. Other people use the swimming pool. What happens is their dead skin, their bacteria from their feet all gets mixed into basically a moist pool, and you get the plantar warts. This is in the change rooms, you guys. If you're in the pool, you're fine. It's just the change rooms. So locker change rooms, swimming change rooms, gym locker rooms are terrible for this. Basically, what you want to do is just wear sandals. Anytime you're in that environment, wear sandals. Never allow your feet to touch the floor. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.